going to be installing this K&N air filter, which I purchased for $30 off Amazon. I'm going to begin by disconnecting my airflow sensor from the intake. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the hose clamp connected to the airflow sensor. Located at the perimeter of the airbox are 6 T30 screws, which we will remove to take the top of the airbox off. I'm now removing the 2 T30 screws holding the air duct shield in place so that I'll be able to remove the air duct connected to the intake box. With the air duct out of the way, I'm now going to remove the top of the intake box as well as the OEM air filter. On the top of the intake box, there are 2 T25 screws holding the complete airflow sensor in place. Once these screws are taken out, you'll be able to go ahead and remove this unit from the box. It may take a little bit of force. Go ahead and reinstall the sensor back in place. The filter comes with 2 rubber adjustment rings. You may have difficulty sliding them on top of each other, so you may need to use some lubricant or grease. I'm undoing the hose clamp on the air filter to allow for a little more clearance. Once the filter is on, you can firmly tighten the hose clamp to hold it in place. I'm now plugging back in the airflow sensor, and then I'm going to reinstall the OEM air duct. Finally, put the 2 screws back in the air duct shield, and that's it. This is an extremely simple and cheap modification. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe for more content like this.